we have. Now let us express 16 in terms of the power of 2, which is 4 square. So 4 power x plus 4 square whole power x is equal to 272. On multiplying the powers, we will have 4 power x plus 4 power 2x is equal to 272. Now this can be written as 4 power x plus 4 power x whole square is equal to 272. Now let us assume that a is equal to 4 power x. Now if we replace this value in the above equation, then we will have a plus a square equal to 272. And subtracting 272 on both sides, we will have a square plus a minus 272 equal to 0. And this here is a quadratic equation in a. So we can apply the quadratic formula to calculate the value of a. A will be equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will give us minus 1 plus minus under root 1089 over 2. That means a is equal to minus 1 plus minus 33 over 2. This gives us two values of a. So a will be equal to minus 1 plus 33 over 2. If we take the positive part, this gives us 32 over 2, which is equal to 16. And if we take the negative part, a is equal to minus 1 minus 33 over 2. Then we will have minus 34 over 2, which gives us minus 17. And according to our assumption before, we had a is equal to 4 power x. So let's replace that value here. Then we will have two conditions. 4 power x is equal to minus 17 and 4 power x is equal to 16. Here we have 4 power x is equal to minus 17. And this condition is not possible at all, because for any value of x, whether that's a positive value, a negative value, or even 0, this will always give us a positive value. But here we see a negative value here, which is not possible. So that we can reject this possibility and go with 4 power x is equal to 16. On solving this, we will have 4 power x is equal to 4 square. Now we have got the same bases, and if the bases are same, their powers will also be equal to each other, so that we can write x is equal to 2.